In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live with your Squarespace website. Imagine you've been working tirelessly on your Squarespace website. It's packed full of content, beautifully designed and ready to be shown to the world. Well, today's the day you get to push it live for everyone to see. And guess what? It's going to take just about 5 minutes of your time. First things first, head over to the Squarespace homepage. This is where your journey to going live begins. You'll see a login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be taken to the sign-in page. Now here's a neat trick for those of you who use Google services. You can click on Continue with Google for an even quicker sign-in process. This bypasses the need to remember yet another password, which, let's be honest, in today's world is a small blessing. Upon clicking Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the account you've used for your Squarespace website or the one you'd prefer to use. Moving forward, it's all about making things seamless and straightforward. With the login taken care of, you'll find yourself on the dashboard that houses all your websites. Click on the website you want to go live with today. This click is the first step in the real world for your virtual creation. Now let's get to the part where we make your website available to the universe. On your website's dashboard, you're going to look for the settings option. There's usually a link directly to settings on your dashboard, or you could use the left-hand menu to navigate there. Once you're in settings, look for the website option. This is where Squarespace houses all the essential settings that pertain directly to your website's operation on the web. Within the website settings, you'll find site availability. This is exactly what it sounds like. It's here where you control who gets to see your website. Click on it and you're one step closer to sharing your creation with the world. If your site is new or has been set to private, you'll see an option labeled Upgrade to Publish. Yes, it's as exciting as it sounds. Click on it, as this is your gateway to going live. Choosing Upgrade to Publish will navigate you to Squarespace's plans. Here you'll need to select a plan that suits your needs. Squarespace offers a range of options tailored to different types of users, from personal blogs to fully fledged business sites. Consider what you need carefully, but remember, you can always upgrade or downgrade later. Selecting your plan will bring you to the checkout, where you'll enter your payment details. This step is as secure as it gets, and it ensures that your site can go live without a hitch, alongside unlocking a plethora of Squarespace's premium features that will help you grow and manage your site better. After your payment is processed, voila, your website is no longer just yours. It's now available for the world to see, interact with and enjoy. Take a moment to appreciate the work you've put in. It's a significant milestone in your digital journey, but before I wrap up this video, here's a pro tip. Before you hit that upgrade to publish button, ensure that you've reviewed your site thoroughly. Check for any typos, broken links or missing images. Think of it as giving your website a final polish before the grand presentation. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. You've just learned how to take your website from the shadows into the limelight using Squarespace. Remember, the internet is your oyster, and with your new live website, you're well on your way to exploring endless possibilities. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital presence. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.